Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. As you all know, in this very channel we always make a video about how you can make money trading cryptocurrency, how you can invest as little as $1 to $10 on your Bybit or any other exchange of your choice and make a reasonable return. We also give out a lot of signals for people to dive into trade and also make a rational profit without being greedy. Today I'll be attending to this question that one of my competent viewers dropped, which says how to use dollar cost average, which is DCA. I do believe you all know what DCA is. If you do not know, I will tell you. But before we dive into this, if this is your first time coming across to this channel, do it to subscribe, like the videos, share the videos so that a lot of people can gain value from this amazing content. So without waste of time, let's dive into that. I say dollar cost average, DCA, okay, is one of the smartest and simplest strategies of investment, especially in volatile market like crypto or stocks. Here are how it works. And what is this DCA we're talking about exactly? DCA means dollar cost average. Dollar cost averaging means investing a fixed amount of money at a regular basis, be it daily, monthly, or even weekly, irrespective or regardless of the amount of that particular asset. Okay, instead of trying to time the market, buy low and sell high, you spread your percentages over time. Okay, so instead of you timing the market when it's low or high, or when it's low to buy low and sell high, all you just need to do is to what? Is to time the whole stock. So you can share your purchase over time. So this now reduces the impact of short-term price fluctuations. You can get this. So how do you use the DCA now? We just explained what the DCA is. Now the question is, how do you use this DCA? Okay? You need to first do one thing. You need to first choose your investment. Okay? You need to first choose your investment. Pick what exactly you want to invest on. Because without choosing your investment, you cannot put this to work. You have to choose your investment. Example, Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any ETF or stocks. Choose your investment first. Then, after choosing your investment, the second thing you just need to do is to what? Is to fix your amount. You need to set a particular fixed amount that you need to be investing subsequently. Okay? You need to set a particular fixed amount. Decide how much you will invest regularly. Example, I want to invest, okay, example, I want to invest $50 weekly or 200 USDT every month. Alright, I do hope you're getting this class. Please do well to indicate at the description section if you're getting this class. Let me know. And if you're still not getting it, let me know so that I can make some advancement. Alright, so and this is your first time, and if this is your first time coming across to this channel, do well to subscribe as well. Like the videos and as well share the videos. Okay, subscribe to this our channel also is a baby channel, my finance class. Look at it. So if I get 100 of it, when I purchase a particular coin at 0.5, sorry, and I'll get 100 of that particular coin. Okay, now look at it. If the coin now rise to 1 USD and I still buy with that same account, with that same amount, sorry, of 50 USD, what I'm going to get is no longer 100. I'm going to get 50. But the one I purchased at 0.5 has added value. Are you getting this? Right? The one I purchased at 0.5 has already added value. But what I'm going to buy currently is 50, no longer 100. Okay? I think you are getting this, right? So when price buy, you buy fewer coins. I'll buy few, but with the same amount. So sis, track your average cost. So over time, your average buying price will smooth out. This protects you from entering the market at a bad time. Okay, example. Let me show you some example. I'm actually gonna go into drop this at the this thing so that you can see. All right. So if I am to show you example, let's say I bought a weekly. Let's going to make this a weekly Bitcoin price, amount invested, and the BTC secured. Let's say first week I bought 40,000 with 40,000 this thing, the Bitcoin price, and the amount I used 100 USD, and the volume I got, let's say it was 0.0. Okay, so second time again I bought the same thing with the same volume, I got this. And second time again, because you know what, the price now dropping, but the amount invested was consistent, the same volume. Okay, so you can see that after 4 weeks you have invested 400 USD. Okay, after 4 weeks you have invested 400 USD, and that 400 USD will now give you 0.0109 BTC. Your average cost now per BTC is equal to 36,700. Even though BTC range from 30k to 45k. Okay, so now what is the benefit of the DCA? The benefit of the DCA now reduce emotion, decision, fear or greed. Now you can see. I do hope you are getting this. Ask me a question if you're not getting it. Smooth out volatility, idea for long-term investors, easy to automate and maintain. I don't know if you are getting this. Okay, so things to avoid now. Let's go quickly to things to avoid so that this particular class will not remain too long. If you do have any question, drop it again. I will come out to speak about this particular DCA if there's something you really want to talk about. And also, I'll also maybe we should practicalize a class. Yes, but I have to do that when it's up or when it's down so that I can actually bring that for you to see. Okay, now things you must avoid. Don't drop buying during dips. Okay, maybe you buy 50 USD and you say, okay, since it's deep down, I'll just drop. No, be consistent with the particular volume. Okay, that's when your DCA works best. Be buying with the same volume. That's when your DCA work best. Okay, so avoid investing in random coins. Choose strong proven asset. Just choose strong proven asset. All right. That is just it. So this brings us to the end of the class. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Drop your question and I'll attend to you ASAP. Thank you.